I'm sure you've heard the news. Python is the go-to language for data tasks. Whether you're dealing with large data sets, performing complex calculations, or simply organizing information, Python has the tools and libraries to make your job easier and more efficient. So why not create a student database with it? A student database can help you manage and analyze student information effectively, making it a valuable tool for educators, administrators, and even students themselves. First, we'll use a Python IDE of your choice. An IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to programmers for software development. It typically includes a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. I'll mention IDE, but feel free to use your favorite. Some popular choices include PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Jupyter Notebook. Each of these IDEs has its own set of features and benefits, so choose the one that best fits your needs. We're importing Pandas for data handling. Pandas is a powerful and flexible data manipulation and analysis library for Python. It provides data structures like DataFrames, which are perfect for handling tabular data, and creating dictionaries for our student info. Dictionaries in Python are a collection of key value pairs, which makes them ideal for storing structured data like student records. Ready? Let's define our data. We'll start by creating a dictionary for each student with fields for their name, USN, university serial number, semester, marks, and grades. We'll create dictionaries with fields like name, which will store the student's full name, USN, which is a unique identifier for each student, semester, which indicates the current term or semester the student is in, marks, which will store the student's scores in various subjects, and grades, which will be calculated based on the marks. Fill these with sample data for 5 students. For example, you might have a student named John Doe with a USN of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the 3rd semester with marks of 85, 90, and 88 in 3 subjects. Next, we'll convert our dictionary into a Pandas DataFrame. A data frame is a 2-dimensional, size-mutable, and potentially heterogeneous tabular data structure with labeled axes, rows, and columns. This helps us manipulate and analyze our student data easily. With Pandas, we can perform operations like sorting, filtering, and grouping data, which are essential for data analysis. Now let's display our data. Displaying data in a readable format is crucial for understanding and interpreting the information. We'll sort, filter, and calculate average marks using Pandas methods. Sorting helps us organize the data in a specific order, filtering allows us to focus on specific subsets of data, and calculating averages gives us insights into the overall performance of the students. And calculate average marks using Pandas methods. Want more? Pandas also allows us to perform more complex operations like merging, joining, and reshaping data, which can be very useful for advanced data analysis tasks. Want more? Add functions to update records, auto-calculate grades, and even visualize data with Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a plotting library for Python that allows you to create static, animated, and interactive visualizations and even visualize data with Matplotlib. With Matplotlib, you can create bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots, and more, which can help you better understand and present your data. And there you have it. You've successfully created a student database using dictionaries and pandas in Python. This database can be expanded and customized to fit your specific needs, whether you're managing a small class or an entire school. A student database using dictionaries and pandas in Python. This project not only helps you organize student information, but also provides a great opportunity to practice and improve your Python programming skills. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Happy coding. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on using Python for data analysis and other exciting projects. Remember, Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications, from web development to machine learning. By mastering Python, you open up a world of possibilities for your career and personal projects. Keep practicing and exploring new libraries and tools. The more you experiment, the more proficient you'll become. Good luck and happy coding! Join the Python community to share your projects, get feedback, and learn from others. There are many online forums, meetups, and conferences where you can connect with fellow Python enthusiasts. Don't forget to check out additional resources like books, online courses and tutorials to deepen your understanding of Python and its applications. The more you learn, the more you'll be able to achieve with this powerful language. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've covered. We started by setting up our Python environment and choosing an IDE. Then we imported the Pandas library and created dictionaries to store student data. We converted these dictionaries into a Pandas DataFrame, which allowed us to manipulate and analyze the data efficiently. We also explored various Pandas methods to sort, filter, and calculate averages. Finally, we discussed how to update records, auto-calculate grades, and visualize data using Matplotlib. These steps provide a solid foundation for creating and managing a student database in Python. I encourage you to expand on this project by adding more features and exploring additional libraries. The possibilities are endless, and the skills you gain will be invaluable in your programming journey. Remember to share your projects with the Python community and seek feedback. Collaboration and continuous learning are key to becoming a proficient programmer. Keep exploring, keep coding, and most importantly, have fun with it. Python is a powerful tool, and with practice, you'll be able to tackle even more complex projects. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video. As you continue to work on your student database, consider adding more advanced features. For instance, you could implement a search function to quickly find student records based on specific criteria. You could also add data validation to ensure that the information entered is accurate and consistent. This can help prevent errors and maintain the integrity of your database. Another useful feature could be the ability to generate reports. With Pandas, you can easily create summary reports that provide insights into student performance, attendance, and other important metrics. By continuously improving and expanding your student database, you'll not only enhance its functionality, but also deepen your understanding of Python and data analysis. Remember, the key to mastering any programming language is practice and persistence. Your knowledge and learning from others can greatly accelerate your growth as a programmer. Finally, don't forget to have fun with your projects. Programming can be a highly rewarding and enjoyable activity, especially when you see your ideas come to life through code. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.